this angle. Basically, before the study the characters, we should know the character how looks. Okay. What features have character this character have. Okay, the how to make those characters next like this. Okay, like this. You can make this okay. So you can just do this few sketching study on this character. For this character, okay. Just done that is. So like this, dark color. Okay. अच्छा फेमस ना ठीक है चारटे रोटी खाइयो चारटे रोटी खाइयो ताले so this is a okay different angle the variety of flamingo some flamingo looks like this okay hi ma'am Pragatish join tomorrow or is this evening time not join today oh no problem no problem okay thank you ma'am yeah so you can join this just create this is a some body shape how okay I just want to before start the drawing because we are going to make a very extraordinary drawing will start today and next 1 month is going this drawing so before the starting this what the flamingo characters looks what is the body structure so I want to show before the sketching of flamingo some flamingo is looking like this when you draw something or make something okay you need to the research regarding this character what is the body structure what is the color okay I send that character in your WhatsApp okay Okay. Done that much? Can I go ahead to the next steps?
Sir, how to draw the Christmas note?
What part, beta?
How to draw the first one, sir? Can you teach once more, sir?
How to draw? What part? What? Tell again, beta.
Can you draw the first one once more, sir?
This one?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I show you, beta. I'll show you. Just a second. Hi, Tapan here. Is Ray not joined today? Okay, please share. Yeah, please. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Make it this. Okay, draw this like this. Another leg is like this. This is a long leg, okay? We are just study. Okay, this one you got tail. Beta, first to make this circle and then just make this. Okay, like this. Okay, like this is the basic shape first.